What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. I'm back with another video, bro. We are winning. All ignorant stuff. Y'all already know what I do with the intro. Anyway, how to make your locks thicker. So you can make your locks thicker with a crochet hook, but you're gonna need some of your hair that already grew out. You're gonna need fake hair or hair that you cut off to make the lock thicker with a crochet hook. That's the unnatural way. But the natural way to make your locks thicker is new growth. New growth is the only way you can make your locks thicker. And you can manipulate your hair being your locks being thin by just simply braiding your hair or getting your hair put into plaits or getting your hair put into braids, just any type of hairstyle. When you basically, I'm gonna show you guys because some of my dreads are thinner than others, and some of my dreads are bushier than others. So you basically, what you do is, one of your locks, all your locks that you have, you want to grow your locks out. You don't want to get no, if you can see, there's a dread right here, guys. You can see this one is thicker with where all the new growth would be at. The new growth is thicker than a whole dread. Basically, just don't get no retwists, don't get no type of hair manipulation. Let your new growth grow out. Let your parts grow out. And then the next time you go to get your retwist, the new growth with so much hair is gonna make your locks thicker when you get your next retwist. So, and this does help your overall hair health, because if your lock has a thick part in it, it can maintain the health for the whole lock. The whole lock can benefit from this because it'll stop it from falling out. Your hair falls out from the new growth and from the ends, but your hair falling out from your scalp, it'll prevent that from happening. So if you do need to grow your hair out and make your hair thicker, I'll work before you to put your hair in a hairstyle and grow your dreads and make them thicker by not touching your hair at all. Just let it grow. And then the next time you get a retwist, your hair is gonna be thicker on your new growth, bro. Another thing you could do too is, you don't even have to get the retwist. Like me, I barely get retwists. I don't get retwists every week. I don't get retwists every month. Matter of fact, when I do it myself, I always notice that my hair is getting thicker. So just cover your hair up, bro. When you cover your hair up, and keep your dreads washed. Keep your dreads washed and cover your hair up. The new growth will like automatically just like maintain itself, kind of like. So you really don't have to do too much. The new growth just gonna lock itself up and it's just gonna look thicker on its own. So you really don't have to do that much just to make your locks thicker. Like it's just common sense, bro. You just let your hair grow. You let your new growth grow. Let me see if I can give y'all an example of one of my dreads that might be thicker at the new growth, at the, let's see. I have a lot of them actually. Like if you guys could see this dread right here, it's very skinny, but once you go all the way up to where my scalp was growing at, you can see it starts off skinny at the end, and once you go towards the scalp, you can see it's just getting thicker and thicker. So the dreads do get thicker as they grow. You just gotta let your new growth take action on that. So as you guys can see, I did bleach my hair. I bleached my hair, so I know bleaching damages your hair, but sometimes it really can't damage your hair too much if you know how to maintain. So basically, you gotta know how to oil your scalp. You gotta know how to oil the end of your dreads, oil the middle of your dreads, keep your hair covered, wash your hair the appropriate amount of times to get all the bleach product out of your head. Because if that bleach product stays in your hair, it will mess with your hair. So you gotta wash it all out. You just gotta keep your scalp clean, bro. When you keep your scalp clean and keep it covered up, your hair just grows thicker, bro. Your hair grows thicker. So it's just a health. It's a health action that you have to take, bro. Look, like this one right here in the middle, this one right here, you guys can see how thin it is right here. But once you go up towards the top of my scalp, it's thick right here. So I actually combined this dread too. I took a rubber band and combined this one. So, and I also have like Congos in my head too. As you guys can see, this is a Congo. This is 3 dreads combined into one. So I do have Congos. I got a Congo on this side. I got a Congo on the back too. So yeah. But I think that's why I'm gonna end this video off at, y'all. Just keep growing your hair out, bruh. Wear protective styles on your head. That's gonna keep your hair, your new growth growing, bro. You can't go wrong, bruh. So I think that's why I'm gonna end this video off, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, no doubt.